So this is how you can get an active developer badge on Discord. So let's quickly read through this article, and actually there's also a link at the bottom which will teach us, or which will, allow us to get the active developer badge. So first of all, what is that badge? Well, it looks something like this. It's for developers and those coders who have an active app or bot within Discord. Now, are you eligible? Well, in order to have this badge, you need to be considered active. And what does that mean? Well, you have to execute your application command in the last 30 days. So you have to be active, and now you're eligible. So how do you actually get this? Well, you have to go to the developer portal to grab your badge. There should be a prompt to join the active developer program and claim your badge over there. So once you sign into the developer portal over here, you're going to want to select the app or the active app you have, designate a community server, and then choose a developer news channel. So once you go to this portal right here, actually you can find this whole article if you just search on Google how to get an active developer badge. It should be the first link. So once you tap on this portal, when you find it, this is how you can, get it. This is what you're going to see, but for me it's a bit different because I'm not eligible. Like, I don't have an active app, but if you do, then it's going to appear here once you've signed in. And yeah, you can tap on it, and then now you're going to want to choose a community, and then you will have your badge. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the